Can you hear the crunchiness in it? Guys, you are going to love this recipe. I bet you will love it. And it's healthy. Oh my god. People, this is uploading soon. And today is very sunny. So I have right here some cold apple juice. Life is good. So beautiful, people. You see this, right? This princess here? It's uploading soon, guys. You are going to love this. You are going to love this, guys. It's healthy, delicious. Guys, it's yummy. And I bet you are only going to love it. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. This babe here is uploading really soon, beautiful people. It's coming up, guys.